Hello. I took my horn off because it doesn't work. Even though I got the lights and everything else to work, the horn doesn't work. And I've never heard it honk, so I'm pretty sure it's broken. But we're gonna test it with the, I'm just gonna jump into the battery and see if it works. My screwdriver, I'm gonna take off the other, the positive and negative terminals just so that I have a battery specifically for the horn so I don't send any current back through and ruin any of these electrical parts. So I'm gonna plug everything, take the battery out, and then just jump it over to the horn and see what happens. Find my screwdriver. Whenever I'm dealing with a battery, I always unplug the negative terminal first, and I always hook in the negative terminal last. Some people say don't set batteries directly onto concrete because it drains them. It's okay to do it for a little while. You don't want to store it there. You want to put at least a piece of cardboard under it, but just for taking it out for a minute, or when you're changing a battery, you buy a new one, you can set it down in the parking lot while you're taking the old one out. So I cut 2 wires here. I just got two, they're 16 gauge, and I just stripped the ends on both sides. Just gonna hook this wire around this battery and then tighten it down to get a good connection, and do the same thing on the negative terminal. And you don't want these 2 wires, the stripped ends, to touch each other. I'll show you just to see that there's a charge in this battery, and so that means that we're going to be putting a charge into the horn, and so we should hear it honk if it was working. Nothing. Yep. So I'm saying it's a bad horn. So we're gonna run up to the store, get a new one, and I'll just unhook these for now. And come back and test the new one. I'm back with a new horn. I brought the old one with me, and I looked at the way that these fittings were, and it looked exactly the same. This is a little bit in a different area, but I'm going to take this off anyway and put my bracket on there. So let me see if I can get this package open. Let's test it and see if it honks from just the battery. Okay, so let's hook these back up. There we go. Yep. That one worked. So we know this is a good horn. So I'll just take the little bracket off of here, put it on here, and hook it up. Let me just hook my battery back up first. And let's see if the horn works. Yep, there we go. So good. One more thing taken care of. Thanks for watching. watching. Have a great night. Bye.